Hello guys, welcome to yet another video, and today I have with me a new fan from Atomberg. This is a BLDC fan, which means it consumes less power when compared to our normal fan. This one only takes around 28 watts of power. That's the main reason why I decided to buy this fan. Let's see what's inside. We get two boxes. One is for the leaf box. The one that I bought is an Efficio model with a 1200 in length leaf, which is a 3 leaf fan. And here is the box where we have the motor in it, and this is the overall packing and look of the box, and that's how it looks. As you can see, it's a 5-star rated fan, which means the current consumption is really low when compared to the other normal fans. It's really less, 28 watts, and our normal household fans consume around 70 watt of power, 70 watts. So that's the main reason I bought this fan. And also the warranty that we get is also amazing, like 3-year warranty. The 1 year extra extended warranty is only when you register it online, so don't forget to register your warranty to avail that extra 1 year benefit. So let's see what else we have on the box. Inside the box we have a rod to connect the fan to the ceiling and to the motor. One also other good thing with this fan is like the fan has is really lightweight. We also have the screws and other shackles to connect the fan to the rod and to the motor as well here. It's really straightforward and simple to actually install the fan. If you know, these are the two canopies that come along with the fan, so really good quality, and it looks really nice, and the quality is also really good, made of plastic material, and the fan is so brown color, so the canopy is also the brown color. So um, we also get a user manual and warranty card inside this cover, and that's the 1 year extra extended warranty card for the fan. And that's the user manual for the fan. You can just actually refer it before you start installing the fan, so that everything goes smoothly with the installation. One thing to remember is like, if you have a regulator already with the installed in your home, don't use the regulator while using the fan. Just operate it with the remote and keep the regulator settings at 5. You also get a remote with this fan, and that's how it looks, really nice and really small and really weightless remote with all the power functionalities and settings. That's a battery compartment for a AAA battery, which is provided free with this fan when you buy it. So that's a good gesture from the company. And well, you can, even if you lost the remote, or if the remote is damaged, you can still use the fan using your MI remote, or if your phone is having an IR blaster, you can just download the remote application and control the fan using that. So don't worry there. um, the power consumption is really low. It can run on for a long time, even if you are connected to the inverter. That's where the IR remote receive the reception, and at the there you can see the branding, and model number and serial number can also be seen there. It's a 5-star rated fan, and those are the place where you add the fan leaves. So let's look at how the fan leaves are now. uh, you get this is a 3-leaf fan. So let's check out the quality of these leaves that come along with the fan. um, uh, as the company claims, you can save up to like 1500 a year if you are using this fan. That's the main reason why I bought the fan. So when you are actually using the fan, don't connect this to the regulator. um, so it looks really good. The fan blades of really good finish, and really lightweight. I like the quality of the material that's used, and all the leaves are proper. There is no damage. I'm just making sure that there is no damage on the leaf. So that's it. We can now actually move on to uh, installing the leaf to the motor. It's quite easy and straightforward. You just need to take those screws out and just add the leaves there. uh, I am not going to add all the 3 leaves, just wanted to show you how to screw one leaf in. That's in. Just screw it in and tight, so that, and after that you can actually connect it to the ceiling with the canopy, and just connect it with the screws provided, and connect those 2 wires to the motor. And now I have successfully installed the fan. Just power on the motor and see how it's working. As you can see, the fan takes some time to actually go to the full power. Now I have pressed one button. There are like 5 speed settings. It's on the second mode. That's the speed that you get in second mode. As you can see there, the light will blink. That means it's getting the command, and that's how fast it's running. And there are like 5 speed settings there, and you also get a boost option, which will push even further than 5. So that's the maximum power you can get is at the boost mode. So there are also some other functions with this fan, like you get a timer for 1, 2, 3 and 6, as you can see. So that means when you press 1, the fan will switch off after 1 hour. Similarly, like that, when you press 6, it will be switched off at 6 after 6 hours. And there is also sleep mode function, which will reduce the speed of the fan like every 2 hours. If you are now on 4 speed setting, after 2 hours it will move to the 3 speed setting, and likewise it will gradually stop. So this is the overall overview of the fan. Hope you liked it.